Once those afternoon clouds sort of moved out, it was mostly clear. Just that one rogue cell just sort of blew up there in Washtenaw County, moving towards Wayne County. And if you were outside, you probably saw it. We got a couple shots on storm pins. This is one of them before the storms were really able to grow. You can see there's just not a whole lot else out there. And the billowing cumulus really drew your attention. And may see a very similar setup tomorrow when we are anticipating just an isolated shot at a thunderstorm in the second half of the day. 70 degrees right now, dew points at 51. That's dry air. Remember, 65 is that threshold for muggy, so anything south of that, we're doing pretty good. Let's time out the thunderstorms that we're expecting going into the weekend. Again, tomorrow in the afternoon, just that slight chance, maybe lingering into the evening, of an isolated storm. And then once we get into Friday, the bulk of the day is going to be dry. It's really not going to be until the evening hours that we see any rain developing. A lot of the stronger storms are going to start moving in as we get later into the nighttime hours towards Saturday morning, and that's going to be closer to sunrise. Any of those storms could become severe with damaging winds. And as we told you at the top of the show, we are under a slight risk for severe weather for Friday night into Saturday. Now, the big question is, how far south does that front get? You can see this model trying to scare up some thunderstorms right near the Indiana-Ohio state line. So if that front doesn't get any further south or is a little bit further north, we may have some issues in the south zone in the afternoon as well. So we'll have to keep that in mind. 57 tonight as the pleasantness continues. And then here's your 4-zone forecast. We'll be around 80 degrees in most locations, 82 in the city, south zone right around 80 degrees for both Lenawee and Monroe County tomorrow. Not a whole lot different in the west zone as we wrap up Thursday afternoon, and generally mid to upper 70s is what we're expecting in the north zone for high temperatures tomorrow. 7-day forecast only gets hot after that. We'll get to the upper 80s and just stick there. We are going to be stuck in a rut after those storms Saturday, guys.